What's up guys, my name is Antonio, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be taking a trip down to Banff. We're gonna be taking a trip down to Banff, Alberta, where the Rocky Mountains are, you know, the blue water, Lake Louise. We're going with the whole squad. We're going with Masterpiece, Prince, Lily, Nick, Baha, Steven. Let's just enjoy the weekend and let's see how this goes. Take care guys. So guys, I've made it over here to Masterpiece's place. He's driving us today. Smile a little bit. He's upset that he's driving. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go get breakfast and then be on our way to Banff, Alberta.
Oh my goodness, this guy swallows pop like there's no tomorrow.
Yo, what's this collection right there? Watch out, bro.
Golly, this guy is a different guy, you know.
Look at this guys. They have a whole package, bro, for $60. Bro, I know your breath is hot, bro. You want me to buy you this, bro? I know you forgot your toothbrush, bro.
Low key? Nah, did I grab it? I didn't grab it. Let me freestyle one time.
Freestyle one time, bro. Let me hear that. Drop the heat.
You realize?
Drop the heat. Let me give you a word, okay? You have to rhyme with.
Go ahead, bro.
Champion. Think of a word, just a word.
Champion?
Yeah.
Yo, champion. Blanking.
What? Blanket? Bro, that's actually hard to think about, you know?
Champion?
That's actually pretty tough. Yo, Steven, what rhymes is champion?
Champion.
Yeah.
Mountain.
Hey,
Yeah.
do you know what rhymes is champion?
Canyon.
How does that rhyme?
Alright, so guys, we've made it into Banff and we're gonna go get some food. What are we eating?
It's an Asian style thingamajig. I don't even know.
Since we're terrorists, tourists. Look at the people behind us calling 911, bro. You guys wanna see what Banff looks like? This is what Banff looks like. See that mountain over there?
It's
Yeah.
actually pretty OP, bro. I'm surprised I got bars of this big.
Ah, man, there's no servers out here, bro. It reminds me of Africa all over again.
Retested. Watch.
You tested positive for COVID?
Nah, retested.
Oh,
Nigga, shut up,
retested.
bro.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
You wanna
Probably.
scare these dong on?
Name your child Karen.
Hell no, bro. Name my child after like some Avatar character. Like a Zula.
Namazaki.
Nah, like a Zula.
Azula. Or Yumikiyaki.
What? That's
I don't know.
racist, bro.
What? How is that
That's
racist?
so racist, bro. It's a cartoon. That's so racist.
How am I being
You said a Hamazaki?
I said Yumiyaki.
What the heck is Yumiyaki?
I don't know nothing about Amazon. I mean, anime. This guy wants to run. Ah, my leg. Insurance.
I was like,
Insurance. This guy wanted to run us over, bro. I'm trying to get a check. Yo, what up, man? How you doing? Oh my gosh, bro. This screams coronavirus, bro.
bro. I'm pretty sure people that are here are clean, right?
Yo, stay close to me, bro.
On
What
God.
the heck is that, bro?
Imagine you taking off your. Imagine,
Ew, can you imagine?
imagine shorty's on the bed. You
Yeah.
Take off he's Donald Trump staring at you like, what's up, man?
Yo!
I'm not I'm not acting.
So, when were you gonna tell me that you have a baby on the way?
Oh my god, let's do it.
We are faking a prank. You wanna join?
Not me, bro. I'm not acting. Go get Steven Stop. I don't want to.
Lily, get off the bed. Me and Masterpiece about to go work.
Antonio's ready. And then I'm gonna come in and I'm like, who the f is this?
Yeah, that's a good prank. Masterpiece, bro, I wanna do something with you.
Yo, I'm protected by valuable.
Oh, shit, bro.
You two, I'm kind of hard.
What'd you say, bro? Ruash.
I'm glad I hope I wish the.
I will be no stories.
What link am I using from?
Hello, master. He does not want to come. Okay.
Bro.
This nigga comes back, bro.
Is that bath salt?
You look like bath salt because I want to get all up on you.
What?
Yo, the zoom, bro. How do you unzoom, bro? Look at my zoom was terrible, bro.
Hey, it's like go to bed.
I got a manual with it. Yeah. Look at this, bro. Guys, look at this, bro. This is his 4th nap of the day. He did not drive. He was just in a car doing zero, nothing. Look at him. All cozy. In my bed, too. Get out of my bed. Look at you. That Yo, wake the fudge up, bro. Look at you, bro. We're about to go fitness, bro. Wake up. We have to go crazy, bro. That night is still young, bro. It's not even night time, bro. It's 6 a.m., bro. I need to get a bit of thing home. Now, that's Sunana di Lamb. Maraho, I mean, I don't want to go. Bear Maraho. Bear Maraho, bro. Like, boom, 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 Maraho, bro. Wake the fudge up. Watch. I'm gonna do what you do. What's up, my name is Antonio, and welcome back to another vlog. Yo, actually, I kind of look cute, low key, bro. Cause the lighting hits different. Look, bro. Look, bro. The lighting is different, bro. Look at this dumb, bro. Look at this dumb. How do you zoom, bro? Can you zoom like that? Look at this dumb. Look at this dumb. We're about to go crazy, bro. What's up, guys? My name is Antonio. Welcome back to another vlog. Yo, it's good. I'm not making a channel, bro. You know how much work that is? I see you cry every day. How do you edit? That's gonna be me, bro. I might have to get an office. Look, yeah, look cute as. Yo, bro, wake up, bro. Let's go, man. Yo, wake the. Wait, am I getting it on the? Wake up, bro. Wake up, bro. This is your vlog. Wake the fudge up, bro. This is your content, nigga. Wake. Yeah! Yo, I was kidding. Wake up, bro. Let's go. Wake, yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. This is what sleep does to y'all, guys. Do not sleep.
Can't you leave me alone?
Oh yeah, vlog this. This is content.
We don't even have food for dinner. Got me feeling like doo. What's up, my name is Antonio and welcome back to my vlog.
I hate that intro sometimes. Did you see the 7-leg video? I said, shut up, bro. Just cut it short. What's up, guys? My name is Antonio. Welcome back to
The mountains are there.
And then I'm gonna put that cloud on fire in editing.
You got a pole? Key pole.
What? People. Okay, let's do that then. Come here, hold this.
Wait, okay.
I have a slide, and I'm going in. I'm about to slide in.
That was the dumbest thing I've ever heard, bro.
It's so heavy. Look, I have water and a ring. Call it drip. Bro, I have a leaf and I blow. Call it leaf blower. It's a rock and a mountain. Call it Rocky Mountain. So day 1 in Camp Moore. We are getting dinner now, and we're about to have some fun tonight. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want us to do more travel vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below. Whoa, barbecue. And the masterpiece got water at Boston Pizza.
What a boring guy.
I'm pretty gonna make our bed.
You made that mess, bro.
Are you dumb? This is you when sleeping.
Who are you?
Light skin, bro. Stay in the sunlight.
Hello.
Yeah, right now I'm saying.
Your light skin wrong.
I finally got in, bro. She thinks I'm cute.
That's why you're happy. I'll freaking please. You're high.
Getting Gucci for the first time in 19 years.
Alright, so guys, we're back. Wait, where are we at, bro? PPP. I'm taking over for Antonio. I don't know what the others are, but people how sick this is. People how sick this is, bro. Look at these, bro. Imagine waking up to this. But guys, it's pretty sick. Oh, let me zoom out. I don't know where Antonio's. I'm taking over for this, bro. I think he's outside right now. He was busy talking to stupid ass, bro. Let's go check, bro. Let's go check him out, bro. Where's Antonio, bro?
He's busy right now. He's busy.
Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna enter. I don't give a fuss. I just took care of your work right now, bro. I just took care. Look at the. Ah!
Are you recording?
I don't mind. Is it upside down? I don't mind.
You don't turn off the camera and get out, bro.
Y'all don't know what this trying to do.
And you want to see my trick?
Oh yeah, you got a trick?
Wait, let me open it.
Oh.
Yo, guys, alcoholics, guys. Yo, this girl is an alcoholic, bro. Just leave it inside for a second. I don't.
Oh my gosh, I guess catch you later.
Good morning, guys. What's happening? Yeah, I'm here with Master Peace. So today we're about to go hiking and go kayaking. How you doing? Hi. Stop it.
Yeah, okay, stop.
What's up, guys? So we made it. I've never ever seen blue waters in my life, so we made it to Lake Louise, and this is what it looks like.
For 1 hour, or are you going for half an hour? 1 hour. Yeah, all of it. Can you leave bags here? No, you're gonna have to take them.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna go over the safety rules. Sound good? Yeah. Please don't test the whistles out. They work. Promise you. And then
Just make sure you're paddling on opposite sides of the boat from each other.
Oh my god.
Are we racing them? Pause. Just pause for a bit, bro. Let's cruise, bro.
Number 25, you're garbage!
Antonio, bro, put your camera down. We gotta be first, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Faster.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep rowing. Come on, let's go.
Antonio, stop one more time. Oh God, bro, I'm flipping us over.
I didn't want to flip over.
what is wrong with this guy?
We're gonna get up one by one.
Guys, sorry, I'm totally
We haven't even laughed.
Where are they?
Antonio. Oh, Jesus Christ. I know neighbors. Yeah, this guy's an idiot. This guy's a rookie. He's doing what he's doing.
Let me drive the boat.
Okay, guys, so we just finished canoeing over there at Lake Louise, and now we're about to head back to Edmonton. I think we were supposed to hike, but it might be for another vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, we'll see where we're going next. Take care. Just vibe.
Got me feeling like doo.
Got you feeling nice.